Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I make a wreath of flower for Eid. I went to Dollar Tree and bought a bunch of seed flower and this stuff, and then I went to Walmart and found this pretty wreath so cheap. It just cost $9. You can find similar wreath flower like this in Amazon. It costs like $13. Cost more. So basically I just add more flowers to this wreath. So I just spent $14 total. It's so much cheap rather than I buy from Amazon or Michael's. Gosh, my husband and I were loving when we saw the price of the wreath there. It's cost $100. Gosh. Then we step back to car slowly. So scary price. And I feel like I can make it. It's so much easier than I thought, and you guys can make it. In this wreath, I don't put too much flour because I don't really like to full. I prefer simple. That's why I just choose two color in here. I really like combination between soft pink and white. Looks so sweet. And now I have a problem because I am so bad on handwriting. So I decide to find reference for Eid Mubarak calligraph, and it took me a while to get what I like because it's so much option, and finally just so tired and finally experiments different thoughts until finally I saw this in Pinterest and I feel like, oh, that's very nice handwriting, and I feel like, again, oh my god, how she made it, oh my god, I don't think I can make it, and finally this is mine. Look at that. This is so uneven moon, so bad. But it's okay. I try my best. And this is the final look, and I'm ready to put them on the front door. So this is the final looks. Alhamdulillah. Finally done. Oh, hero. He thought I'm going outside and leave him behind. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe and comment below. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase our iman. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.